I wouldn't know if the sky was falling until it hit me on the head. Hi, Darlene Don for Living Your Best Life, and today's snippet is going to be about self-care and unplugging. That statement might make me seem oblivious to all that's going on in the world, but think for a bit about the last couple of years, all the hoopla regarding leaders in the world, anti-this, anti-that, and all the turmoil going on around us. I'm not trying to make light of any of this. This has all been very serious. We all have a breaking point, though, and eventually we have to choose how we are going to deal with the stress of it all. I have chosen to mute the news and avoid the chaos for a bit. Now, to many, that may seem rather careless and uncaring, but in all honesty, I care too much, and I found it to be damaging to my own well-being, as well as those in my life and those that have to deal with what's going on in my own headspace. I am sure I'm going to get comments on this regarding what some may consider a rather careless approach, but there comes a time when enough is enough. I do have my beliefs regarding everything that's going on right now, and that's just it. My personal opinions and beliefs, like you are entitled to your personal opinions and beliefs. I don't like to be preached to, and I choose not to preach to others. I might say what my beliefs are, but that doesn't mean that you have to side with me. I don't expect anyone to have the same beliefs and principles as I do. We all have that given right to believe what we choose to. When we're inundated with nonstop traumatic events, sometimes we need to escape for the sake of our own sanity. I have always believed, and this is my belief, and I'm stating this so that you know that this is just what I believe and not what you have to believe or choose to even want to believe. I believe that love and kindness is really the most important thing in life, and treating others how you want to be treated is how I choose to live my life. I listen to the news and I see and hear very little that applies to those standards. So therefore, I've taken a well-needed break from all the bullcrap going on in the world today. I like to live in the moment. It's truly the only way for me because that's all we really have. The past is gone, so that's over and done with. And the future, well, it's not always there. It's always unpredictable. Nobody knows what our future is going to be or how long we really have on this earth plane. Being mindful of others and helping others on a daily basis is what it's all about. Living your day-to-day with kindness, integrity, to me is really all that matters. We are all children of the high and mighty, all created equal, whether we believe in God, Buddha, Jehovah, Yahweh, or evolution. We're all universal energy and all important on this earth. To me, it doesn't matter if you're a doctor or a chimney sweeper. All jobs are to be valued. If we've not learned that in these past 2 years, how important each individual is as we come together to try and make things better, we haven't learned anything. We all matter. Everyone and everything has a purpose in this life. The trees are here for a reason, as are the animals. Everything is meant to work in harmony with each other in order to keep life going. We therefore should be grateful for all the people employed in all the spectrums of our lives. Like one of the well-known hymns says, all creatures great and small. It says it right there. In my humble opinion, until we learn to love and value ourselves and each other, until we learn to live in harmony with nature, we're going to continue to suffer as individuals and as a collective we. We choose to make our lives difficult, but we can choose simplicity. And I will continue to avoid things that do not better me for the time being. And if the sky does fall and hit me on the head, so be it. At least I won't have wasted all that time stressing and worrying about it. Until next time, bye for now.